Welcome all. This is Salome, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, RBVRR Women's College. Would like to enlighten you regarding the course. Course is Cost Accounting. Let us discuss about the introduction. Introduction to Cost Accounting. Cost accounting is defined as a systematic set of procedures for recording and reporting measurements of the cost of manufacturing goods and performing services in the aggregate and in detail. It includes methods for recognizing, classifying, allocating, aggregating, and reporting such cost and comparing them with standard cost, often considered a subset of managerial accounting. Its end goal is to advise the management on how to optimize business practices and processes based on cost efficiency and capability. Cost accounting provides the detailed cost information that management needs to control current operations and plan for the future. Cost accounting information is also commonly used in financial accounting, but its primary function is for use of managers to facilitate their decision making. Cost accounting is the process of accounting for cost. It begins with the recording of income and expenditure and ends with the preparation of periodical statements. Objective. Course objective: to make the students acquire the knowledge of cost accounting methods. Course outcomes. So the next is course learning outcomes. After completion of the course, students will be able to demonstrate the knowledge in the preparation of cost sheet and decision making. Secondly, develop problem solving skills in the techniques of costing. Thirdly, demonstrate and summarize the cost accounting statements. Fourthly, illustrate the problems relating to cost ascertainment, planning, control, and decision making. Lastly, estimate the problems on cost control and techniques of costing. Assessment. So, assessment methods we can see are class tests are conducted, internal tests are conducted, assignments are given, topic presentations are given by the students. Viva is one of the assessment. Value addition. The course enables the students to understand the concepts of the cost, what are the accounting treatments of the cost sheets which are prepared, and it will persuade them in becoming cost accountants, various jobs in material stores, purchase departments, etc. Thank you.